Hey loves! Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a 3-tiered marbled stand that can be used for a fruit tray, makeup stand, cupcakes, and so much more. All of these products, minus the fruits and veggies, can be found at the Dollar Tree. Be sure to check the description box for details. This DIY is perfect for a wedding reception, baby shower, bridal shower, or even a birthday party. It's simple and easy, so let's go ahead and get started. First, you're going to take some gold metallic spray paint and fully spray paint all 4 of your candle holders. Allow them to dry for about 30 minutes. So I've already went ahead and glued my first set together. Take some E6000 or some glue adhesive from the Dollar Tree and add it to the top of your candle holder and place one on top of the other. Next, you're going to take your marble plate and glue one of the candle holders down to that plate. Follow that same process for your second plate. Next, you're going to assemble everything together. Just add E6000 to the top and the bottom candle holders to complete your 3-tiered tray. Then add your marbled bowl at the top, which can be used for your dipping sauces like chocolate or caramel or even ranch if you choose to make this a veggie tray. Look at how glamorous this is. You can use this for your jewelry, makeup supplies, baked goods, and so much more. It's just a cute little tray that you can use for whatever you want. Now for the fun part. I have some strawberries, red grapes, green grapes, cherries, celery, carrots, and some grape tomatoes, all of which I'm going to show you how to create a fruit and veggie tray with, using these small cups and bowls that I got from the Dollar Tree. First, I'm going to cut my celery down to size so that it can fit into my Parfait cups. Next, I'm going to take my baby carrots and I'm going to slice those down the middle and add those to my Parfait cups as well. Then you're going to take some grape tomatoes and place one in each cup also. Next, I'll take some strawberries and I'm going to cut the head off the top of these and slice them down the middle. Next, take your green grapes and red grapes and add them to your small bowls along with your strawberries, and I also added in some cherries as well. And here's what they look like. Next, you're going to repeat the same process with your fruit for your Parfait cups. And here's what they'll look like. Here's everything all together, the bowls and the Parfait cups. I ate so many of these fruits and veggies while I was recording this DIY. It was so delicious. So lastly, I'm going to just have some fun decorating my 3-tiered tray with my fruits and my veggies. I added the veggies at the bottom. You can switch it up if you like. I added the fruit bowls to the second tier and then added the fruit Parfait cups in between each veggie cup at the bottom. You can do more or less. The choice is totally up to you. So then I added my remaining fruits around the sides of the 3-tiered stand to make it look glamorous and pull it all together. You know, sometimes you just need to add a little bit more pizzazz to it, and I felt like adding the extra fruits all the way around it made it stick out a lot more. So that's how you make this amazingly beautiful fruit tray. And that completes today's DIY. I hope you all have enjoyed it. Question of the day: would you make this for your event? If so, which event? Comment below and let me know. I'll see you very soon in another DIY. Have an amazing day. Bye.